What is wrong with synthetic or standard nylon? Synthetic or standard nylon, which is used in our current fashion industry to make mostly women's activewear because of its stretchy, quick-drying, and mildew-resistant properties, is 1. Non-biodegradable, meaning it cannot be broken down and therefore ends up in our oceans. 2. The production of nylon undergoes two processes that are some of the biggest threats to our environment: oil extraction and oil transformation. Oil extraction: drilling for oil as a raw material to produce plastics and further produce nylon takes place under the ocean that has adverse effects including disrupting marine habitats. Oil spills during the process are also harmful for marine life, as well as creating ocean pollution. Oil transformation: the process of distilling, converting the oil into chemicals prepared to produce the polymers or raw materials to create nylon, emits nitrous oxide, which is said to be a substance that is partly responsible for depleting Earth's ozone layer, contributing to global warming.